If I say build the youth, you say build the nation. And if I say build the nation, you say maintain the elders. So let's go. Build the youth. Build the youth. Build the nation. Thank you. Please, let's clap for ourselves, please. I am Comrade Gift Jumbo, the acting chairman, National Youth Council of Nigeria Rivers State chapter. Today is the International Youth Day, and every year we normally do a program for the youth, to commemorate the Youth International Youth Day. But this time, I thought it's wise to bring it to our brothers here, because some of you know me. I take this route to travel, and I see everybody, and I know what's going on here. But as it is, I do not have any power to do anything. But at this point, I know I could give my own little in any way I could. So I decided that we should come and bring you together to talk to you, to reason with you, because we know what every one of us is going through in the country today. So I want to say you're all welcome. The International Youth Day have a theme, and the theme is Local Youth Actions for Sustainable Development Goals and Beyond. On behalf of the National Youth Council of Nigeria Rivers State chapter, it gives me great pleasure and honor to welcome you all to this year's International Youth Day celebration. Today we join millions of youth around the world, around the globe, to reflect, to celebrate, and to commit ourselves to building a better future. The theme for this year, Local Youth Actions for Sustainable Development Goals and Beyond, is both timely, powerful, and reminds us that while global goals are important, their success depends on the actions we take here in our community, in our streets, in our environment. Those things we do as humans also contribute. Now, in Rivers State, our youth are vibrant, resourceful, and resilient. From technology and entrepreneurship to community service and advocacy, we are proving every day that young people are not just leaders of tomorrow, but leaders of today. Our voices, our ideas, and innovations are essential for tackling challenges such as poverty, inequality, unemployment, climate change. Today, this program reflects that commitment from our special outreach, socially disadvantaged youth. In fact, let me not say plenty grammar here. We are here for you, because there is no tomorrow, there is no future without the youth. The country no go better if we know the youth know they empowered, the youth know they well, we know they enjoy, we know they relax, we know they achieve it we want to achieve. And how we go take do this thing? Not be only government will do one for us. From the little point where you stay now, you go fit do something for yourself. You fit see something here, you know say you no suppose dey here, you be a good Samaritan, you shift and keep here. That one are also a way, a part of making your own, adding your own contribution to making things better.
So now, what I want to talk today is about taking of things. For Nigeria, here we say things and things. So what are those things and things? Waiting go fit make things and things spoil things for us, and waiting it go spoil. So now waiting are they here to tell us. So my brothers and sisters, I want to tell you, if we continue to take things and things, like you don't call them nakolos, loud, yes, coke, and all those things, yes. Now, you see this thing where they for here, where they call brain, and when you take them, you get something where they do for here, for this other side, where they call liver. Liver get its own work where they make sure say in they try break anything we no good. where if he enter for the blood, it go to the brain. So when you can't take all those things, the thing go straight to the brain. And when it go to the brain, it go somewhere, go knock engine. And once engine don't knock for the brain, you begin to see things where you self, you where they grow the time as a young church boy or as a Muslim small boy where just they come. Your plans, where you plan for yourself. You will say maybe you go become a big man, a doctor, an engineer, a lawyer, and all those things. But when engine don't knock, all those plans no go fit happen. Now things go begin change. Now, what are those things where you go fit say where if your brain don't knock? Now you're gonna see say the way you think before, not be the same way where you gonna think again. Now you're gonna see yourself like say you don't already get what you supposed to get for life. Meanwhile, now something don't go spoil the brain where those important dreams, those important future plans will be they get for yourself. You know if you think them again. Now you're gonna think something you go there your own, something go just tell you say go find trouble. You go there your own. You're gonna see things where even normal human being like as all of us sit down here, we're not gonna see. You're gonna talk things where we say nobody gonna talk to you. But both people they call them hallucination. The school where you want plan go, you go come stop for road. And all these things, they make you as a human being where they come. Quick, even die in the process. Before you know be the thief before. But because you take all these things, it don't make you they change the good boy where you be the answer. Even the hard work where they work. Because even Bible talker say, see the man diligent in his work, he will stand before kings and not men. What did that mean? That thing where God give you, put down for your body. If those things no day, and you focus on that thing where God put for your body, my brother, it get the day where government go find you come. Say that thing, that the way you get, we need them. So, but because those things, we don't take them, it will make us forget, say God even put something for our body. And all those things no good. So now, waiting go fit make a young man where they come, begin they take these things. I know that the economy, they friendly. Money no day to sponsor, make person go school. But that one no mean say, make focus on what the little thing where God don't put for your body. If the thing gonna look like say they small, but when you begin to utilize them, you go see say the great things where you go do, go pass what you even think. Now another thing where they make people they take this thing. Now because I want to become hard man, make them know say I be big boy for time. Now say for life nobody they do competition. Because the time where you go die, don't be the same time where the other person go die. The time where you go make them not be the same time where the other person go make them. So no go follow another person's speed. They carry and say now your own speed be that. If not, you no go feel meet up. So another thing where go feel make person they take all these things. Now because say you never even check yourself. You don't say, my body they pain me, make I go take this one. Now you don't even wait, make doctor prescribe, because some of these things, then they use them to treat person normally. But then they reduce them in a small dose. But you don't even wait, make doctor write and say, my brother, take this thing for so day. You go buy as many because they say this thing will help. You go like this tramadol. We they use them treat. But the thing they even shock me, the way where people say go come, now them go they tell me say they don't take like how many doses. I could wonder. So I see they take. The thing, instead of the thing to the work waiting is supposed to work, it could destroy you the more because they give the liver we're supposed to break and down small way. You supposed to take the little way you need to give them more work, and if liver fail, problem. Another thing they say, you not say, okay, at this one why they talk, more they take a note. Now, we know say kai alcohol. Oyibo people then they take them small when they want to eat, or they go take them small after they eat. Why then do it like that? Then they feel say they help to digest food, to break down food. Now, but we take them like water. Make a take them. You think they make sense? Now, after that one now, you know say you they give the liver to more work. So the more they drink that kai like this, they make the liver they shrink, they small. You go come hard. You go come see small stone. We they call them liver cirrhosis. And when person get that liver cirrhosis like this, the throat go come dry. It go begin crack. And when it begin crack, the person go they vomit blood. It go they cough out blood, and person fade down in the process. Make we not feel say people they take these things to become hard men, to become great men, to become this, to cure pain, to do this. Or if I take them like this, if hunger they catch me, I no go feel them. If I they do work, the pains no go. All those things, more na cancel them from on our mind. If God don't put small thing for your mind, if you never for your body, if you never discover them, that means that you will never discover them. Because from the time where they come, you see say some people they carry counter, they make one or two, they play, but before you know they don't construct car. Now future engineers be that too. But people don't know. Another thing we say, our parents, I know say our parents to a certain extent, then they fail. If they see Peking where they come, where they make all those things now, they're gonna feel like say the Peking must become engineer, must become doctor. But that's the way that they see. They're supposed to start from there to encourage and build them. Because tomorrow that thing will become a bigger thing tomorrow. So some of us feel like say our parents don't fail, so therefore make I go follow my friends. Make I make sure say make I learn one or two in the street. Say better matter day for street. Say may I give you update. My brother, update. No be everybody they get the update to actually shine. If you get the update, you go land you where you no expect for life. So I beg you, without wasting much time, waiting at the try tell on the things where I want to tell on the things where we go do, where we go help ourselves. Now, if you know say you don't take and go far, reach where you know if you come back. Find a closest friend, an elder, confide in that person. Tell and say, sir, the way the thing don't be me, I want change you, but I don't know how I want to take one. Now, our forefathers always say that elders let the day for somewhere goats deliver with rope. Sound alike? So if you go meet them, then know say this my boy, for him to come like this, that he really needs help. So him go talk to you. If the elders no fit, on a fit come meet us. We be doctors. No fit say because I carry young man body, sense no dey me, no. Or you big pass me, no carry shame, no carry pride. Come meet us. Doctor, or call me my brother. Say, I beg, I want change. I will go take to him. We will tell you, we will help you, to advise you. First, I must be your friend. So that, and you self will make sure, say you believe me. So anything what I tell you to make you try, listen. Now, another thing to start to eat good food. Because if you need if you don't eat good food, that good food like vegetables, and wanna leave too much fries. Too much fries they cause problem. Fried chicken, fried this, fried that. The vegetable where they grow for your backyard, it they richer than some of these fries. to get all these vegetables, eat fruit. It will help. It will begin to build your immune system. Things where they fight infection. Things where they fight anything where they go attack you. So I beg all of you, try, and subsequently, we're going to try. They come talk to you people.
My name is Apostle Collins T. Briggs. I'm a medical practitioner too. I'm a medical anatomist and also a chemical pathologist. Today is a great day for us. And beyond that, I'm a pastor. And this is my pastor work. I dey go prison 4 times a week for almost 20 years now. So I dey meet with people well. That's why I came here because of you. So this matter we dey talk about, now matter we don't destroy life. It's still dey destroy life. It's either you take it seriously or you destroy your life. It's either it go kill you or you go make sure say they're useless. Now I get people for prison where some of them don't stay 36 years inside there for year. If you turn, you go just here. Some don't stay 38 years. And they see them 4 times a week and they go, they see them steady. Most of them, waiting bring them come there. Now, crime way, when they do them, they don't know themselves. You know, so when you take this drug where we talk about, there is a destruct, there's a disconnect for your brain cell. Like my colleague there, they explain things. Something they disconnect. So when that thing disconnect, you know, fit sound. Okay, you know, if you take sound decision again, you fit even kill your pikin before you know. You get one girl where they inside prison. She mistakenly killed her husband. She don't stay there for almost 25 years. Every day she dey cry. Adibin I know. Wetin make she do am? When she do am, she been dey influenced. She don't balance herself. They wait for the husband to come. As she dey take that thing, today I go deal with am. The thing down, I can't control am. Before you know it, she don't do am. The man, he don't die. Where she dey now? Na prison. Wetin carry her go? Murder. Now, wetin court give her? Die by hanging. As she did there, they call them IDR, inmate on death row. That one own don't finish. If governor now sign say, oh yeah, pem, they don't kill them. Drugs no good at all. You know they make person forget your problem. Now lie. Now lie yo. When you take drugs, that time, you not gonna know what they do when the thing don't take you over. When you wake up again, you come back to your very self. So it is not good to take drugs. The best thing is to get good friends. Get elder, like my colleague, Dr. Fubara said here. Get good elders. Get good friends. Get pastors as friends. Doctors, lawyers, where could they advise you? This place where we did not be bad place. Oh. Sometimes, all of us, one time, some of us they here. Some people will be president today, then they here. Those days, I remember when my mother, they carry stick boat, they come from village. We will come from Idama, come stay for Waterside for here. 3 days, she go buy everything for Creek Road. We go now load and finish. We go back. We go drive this sea, pass all the creek everywhere, go reach almost at Kulama 1. So we don't see all these things. But the most important thing for you now to take sound decision. You may not have it all, but you can have it small. Run away from drugs. Drugs no go give you any good thing at all. The more you take it, the worse you become. Somebody no hear me. I said the more you take them, the worse it become. Small, it destroy you. It destroy you. It go, you don't know. You go think say you still there alive. Now lie. The thing they give you nonsense moral. That moral no dey real. It dey like when you put water for inside kettle. That vapor when they come out. You know real. That moral after that time you don't die. They come to you and say, "Che, now me be this. Now me be this." Drugs no good. It go make you commit crime. You get one small boy. I dey go remind home for Borokiri every Thursday. You get one small boy wey dey there. The boy go follow, go take this thing. Before you know, the boy don't go carry something, go choke somebody. Then carry and go there. The boy is below 18 years. That place na juvenile prison, na for small children. He go fit from there now, before you go know, from that age where in day, he go enter main prison. All in life, na inside prison. My brother, nothing past freedom. When you enter that place, now you go know say life hard. Because freedom, now be the highest gift where God give man. To the waka about. As they waka about, you don't like him. You don't like him. Build the youth. As they waka about, you don't like him. Use your time well. No engage in drugs. Drugs go finish you. Do you know that just 6 years, you don't become medical doctor? Are you aware? Less than 10 years, you don't become a professional. Most people where they see today, no golden spoon, na also, but they use their time well. When you know they take drug, you go get to do what they call sound mind. You go they think well. What did I go do? I go better for my life. How I go take face tomorrow? And I go look at he own in the saver. When he carry your rent better house, enter. He say I go deal with them. You can't go Ogoni, you go Andoni, you go Kola, you go get Juju to carry kill him. Not be winch with that. You don't plan your own. Your own now drugs they take them. Drugs they of many kind. Some they smoke sock away. Some they smoke toilet. Some they smoke smokeable. All of them avoid them. None of them good. None of even cigar. People who do and tobacco say smokers are liable to die. Now the person who do them into and give you. They tell you say if you take them, you go die you. Person give you poison. They tell you now poison. You still a drink them. Don't be moved with that. No, I know hear you well. Not be moved with that. I beg youths, if you want to become great, run away from drugs. Yeah. I dey go secondary school UP there. Every Monday I dey go preach for them since 2003. Every Monday you go see me there. All those small children. Some of them say I small, make I do am. The moment you start, it's difficult to leave because you go become habit. Don't start. If you don't start and you dey here today, stop. Look for person where no they take. Follow. Show me your friend. I will show you who you. No make smoker your friend. No make a go person your friend. Don't say, I'm here not smoking the smoke. One day you go smoke. One day you go smoke. One day you go drink. Before you go know, you don't they disconnect you. Now here, now the power. People they drive motor become big. Now here they think am. And if here no balance again, what will happen? You don't become useless.
Now concerning this drug issue they talk here, I know because most of us they hide. But people they take away because even if you go out in the salon, people they even take a pass now. Almost the youth and the mature now even girls. So people they pass me too.
Yes, girls.
Even this injury now I acquire now. Let me clear eye. Make it clear. This injury.
Okay.
Let me clear eye something. Because the time you clear eye, I don't get this kind of injury.
Dr. Fumara can't see you.
No, we'll go talk your mind.
Yes.
I talk my mind when they cast me for prison. I did that prison. I did many months. How many years?
Which time you go prison?
I go prison. That was during that election period.
You know me?
No, sir. But your face is familiar.
Okay.
So when I carry us, I can't say you are like me. I need to smoke.
Okay.
I need a cigar. I need to take.
Okay.
But I can take anything. Sweet non, tramadol.
All the tramadol.
Things I can take them with you.
Them bad.
No wait, now wait.
Go on.
When I take them. Now, you get the pleasure in they give me when they say anything what they do. If they tell I say it they light for my side. Yeah. Actually, I dey fall down mountain. They say if I want than sex, I dey meet up. Nobody talk to me now. If I want than sex, I dey meet up. But when once the thing come up for my body, I need to figure eyes. It dey tell me like say I feel myself I no eat. That's but make it just be say I take them. That's all. Now when I take them now, my mood, anything they do need to sweet me. I go just look you like they observe you. Yes. I go just look you. And if any like my short past me, yes. So far I done that mood, you know if it's time I hit because at that moment I ready to tell me that I won't be mad.
You be lion. Yes.
But when I come the day sometimes I say, I can do this thing. I did the fit. Because when I want to leave, they tell me like say, He don't want to hear everything while they lost.
They lost, yes.
And he don't tell to me say, even if I no chop like I think one card said,
you're okay.
I do okay. I do okay for that. When you yes, between me, I feel drink Gary.
That's correct.
So within the ask, we say I know say no dey easy, but na small.
Yes.
Now when they say na small, they cash monkey.
Na so.
If anything make a rush am, he go jump go to that thing.
Not true.
So we know say no dey easy, but
yes.
na small.
That's small.
And I go still, everything I like what I do, I like am, but and I go still dey work towards it small, the meet up because e no easy, my brother.
Yes.
Wetin you don start, e no easy.
Okay, where are you from? Where are you from?
No, from Akpoti State.
Akwa-Ibom.
Yeah.
Some of una dey here, una wan learn something. Maybe carpentry, iron bending, anything, so inclusive. You dey here, you dey interested. So long as say you go live here, because even if you dey here, if you dey work here, but no indulge in these drugs wey we dey talk, because small you dey go, but you no go say you don dey go. You dey go before you know you don disappear. You understand? So make una try make up una mind so that una fit better for una own self. Nobody send you. Nobody send us. I like nobody send me. Na me send myself. So now the love wey you show yourself, you go show yourself love before others show you. So I wan tell una say make after now one of our escorts go take una names. Any skill wey you wan learn, you put your name, put your phone number, put your skill. I go reach out to una when I don settle everything. We go reach out to una so that go see how una go take help on ourselves, because today no be even school. Even when we go school, we still dey learn skills. Sometimes people wey get handwork, dem better pass, dem dey eat better food pass people wey go school. Because when you go school finish come out no work, wetin you go do? But your skill, you fit be electrician, you no go school, but you know wetin to do. Dem fit build one big mansion, so make you come wire am, you charge them 5 million, you get money pass person wey go school. So make una try have everything. This the one that they take. Nothing wey ginger they give, nothing. As him talk, he dey feel like say one lift up 3-story building when you don't take am, but when you don't come out, you don't finish. Na so it be. Na there you go, you go just dey go in circles. So my brother, sorry, you go attend to this your leg, eh? Then everybody wey dey interested, you go write your, take your names, phone number, and wetin you go like to learn. So long as say you dey serious. Thank you.